If you're suffering from hair loss, whether just on your hairline or if you notice that you're losing hair every day, then keep on watching. You won't need a hair transplant for our AlmaTED hair restoration treatment. This treatment does not need any needles, is pain-free, and will only last a few minutes. AlmaTED is an ultrasound-based system that uses acoustic sound waves and air pressure to drive a hair growth serum deep into your scalp for better absorption. First, we apply a topical hair care formula on your scalp. This serum contains ingredients that'll improve hair growth, scalp health, and hair follicle strength. Next, we drive the serum down to the dermis. You can expect to feel a warm sensation from the device and a ringing sound through the course of the treatment, but there is no pain involved. No needles, no discomfort. No trauma to the scalp. So we definitely recommend trying our treatment if hair loss is affecting your daily life and self-esteem. We can help you reclaim your youthful appearance and stop hair loss in its tracks. Send us a message or contact us at dardurmedical.com.